Hi guys, I found this really cool website called wiser.me, and that is where I am right now. You just type in wiser.me and this will come up. And I joined already. It'll give you the option to join. So I'm just going to log in. So I'm logged in and this is amazing. So all of these things that you're seeing right now are creations of teachers who have been willing to share what they've created on this website. So I can search for any subject matter. If I want to do, let's do 10th grade geometry. All right, so I can go over here and I can choose one just for fun. Let's do this. So it's going to come up and it's going to show me undefined terms, geometry basics, unit 1 geometry, match the term with its correct definition. So this, I can either decide to edit it or use it exactly as it is. And then when I decide that I'm done, I can assign it. So let's just say we're going to use the worksheet and assign now. So what I learned was that I want to do it via a link because if you do it by class, you have to join the premium, and it is only $3 a month, but totally free to do the link. So I'm going to create an assignment via link. So I'm going to make my worksheet public because otherwise I have to. Now I'm going to assign this or name it geometry. And the cool thing is that you can automatically send it into Google Classroom. Now, I don't have my Google Classroom set up right now, so I can't do that. But as you can see, it did go in that direction to Google Classroom. Okay, so let's get out of the assigning the worksheet and let's go back. Now, this is not in real time. So this is just creating the worksheets or the tests or the quizzes or whatever I want to do. Okay, so let's go back here to wiser.me. And that's kind of your go-to button to go back and refresh and start where you were. Now, there's this option to create a worksheet. So what is really fun here, look at all these colors and all these designs and all these templates that you can utilize. We can choose any of these and these are all free. So let's just for fun choose a get better. I guess it doesn't. You can do whatever you want. So then we can add activities here. You can import Canva, you can import a worksheet, you can do open questions or multiple choice, fill in the blanks, fill on an image. You can write text, draw, sort, all of these things that you can do just for free. And you can also add it to your drive and you can share a worksheet. So you can create and edit, you can assign, you can post answers, or you can hide the answers any way you want. I just think that this tool is a great way to build worksheets and to make them interactive and fun and no more paper trail. All right, thanks for watching.